Bing Ads. What is Bing Ads? Bing Ads is Microsoft version of Google AdWords. In the same way that Google AdWords allows you to run ads on the Google Search Network and Google Partner Network, Bing Ads allows you to run ads on both Bing Search Network and its partners network, Yahoo and AOL, America Online. Yes, people are still using these search engines. Like AdWords, text and shopping ads, Bing ads display at the top, bottom or side of the search engine result page. Now the question is, should you be doing Bing ads? Let's understand the global market share of the search engine in the year 2008. Let us compare them with 2020 and India market share of search engines. So wherein Google is having an upper hand, 98.53, Bing is having 0.92, Yahoo 0.45 and DuckDuckGo 0.07, Yandex.ru, Russia-based search engine 0.01, Ecosia 0.01. Now you can see the second top search engine, that is called Bing. Where can Bing ads be used? Bing as search engine is not as famous as Google, especially in India. Bing only covers 3% of the total search market in India and is not so recommended to be used here because of the search volume. Okay, but the case is different with the United States. Bing now accounts for roughly 23% of the search volume in USA, and a recent study says they have drastically grown to 33% of holding the market share, and that percentage is steadily growing. So the very place where you can need to use Bing ads will be USA and Japan, where the percentage of market is over positive 2-digit figure, including their search partner, that is Yahoo and America Online. Let's compare between the Bing ads versus Google ads. Let's understand the search volume first. So as already given you an example, so Google ads is having more number of search volume because we know what is Google. Anything that we want to search, we directly open Google Chrome and we'll search for the product. Now most of the corporate, they are slowly getting adapted to Bing ads. Search volume. As we mentioned earlier, the most obvious difference between Google and Bing is search volume. Cost per click. On an average, a click costs 33 to 42% less on Bing ads than Google ads. That's a pretty big deal, right? Especially in industry with a higher average CPC. Now what all it mean? Competition. Bing ads has roughly 1/2 to 1/3 lesser competition on the platform than Google. There we go. Lesser competition means better ad placement and better lead result for the business. Now let us understand the ranking parameters of Google with Bing ad. Google ads and Bing ads are both virtually the same platform, running on the basic principles and mechanism. You bid on a specific keyword that you think Bing user will be using, and then when a user conducts a search that matches your keywords, Bing compares the bids and ad quality of the competing businesses and decide which ads will show up in the which order of the search engine result page. Every other factor that Google consider to rank an ad on the search network, the same applicable for the Bing ads too. Like Google quality score, ad quality, ad rank, all remains the same, but the arithmetical algorithm of the calculation may vary according to their standards. I need to repeat this again. So it's all depend upon the search volume. So here we are good number of users of Google search engine compared to Bing ads.